Welcome to another episode of the Ring Cam Files. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so our videos can be seen by more people. Thank you.
Hey! Get back out! That is my mail!
Nah, but you don't live here now, so you need to get the fuck.
Dallas, Texas. He probably only takes the dog for walks to look for packages to steal.
Take me a moment to answer.
A girl rings the doorbell of this home. She looks scared. She looks like she is trying to get away from someone. After she leaves, you see a car speeding down the street. Is that who she was running from? Staten Island, New York. That's the first time I've seen someone get one of their shoes ripped off their feet. Why he'd do that? Tell me what you think in the comments. Sacramento, California. Sacramento, California. Los Angeles, California. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Hey, Mike. What are your children doing? Not in the car. Oh, they're on car. Is that car? Rupert. chocó en el carro del liceo.
Hello? 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 It's the neighbor, you guys.
Hey, man.
Nashville, Tennessee.
Hey, come on, help me, man. Get out and help me. Get out. Get out.
This guy snatched someone's lawnmower in broad daylight while they were home. Queens, New York.
Hey, how are you?
Queens, New York. Brooklyn, New York. These guys are moving stuff out of the way because they are going to steal that SUV. Glendale, California. You can't leave anything in the back of your truck anymore, and locking your doors does nothing. If they see something they want, they will just break your window. Van Nuys, California. Glendale, California. San Diego, California.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, my name's John Ethan Samuel Connor. I just got back from the Vietnam War. I really need help getting to the hospital. Sail on, sailor. No harm intended. Just call 911, please.
In Albuquerque, New Mexico. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. When you leave a huge sign for Amazon with instructions of where to put your packages, and he still leaves them in front of your door to get stolen. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help us get to 10K.